Good morning, children. Children, today we will see lesson number 6, walnuts and pumpkins. Now, children, have you ever wondered why some fruits grow on vines and some fruits grow on tall or huge tree? Do you know the answer? No, you don't know. Let us see this chapter. You will find the answer in this chapter itself. Before going to the chapter, first we will see some new words that is very difficult for you to pronounce also, and we will see how it is pronounced. I will read each word with pronunciation. I will spell it and pronounce it. Okay. Mullah Nasruddin. The main character of this story is Mullah Nasruddin. He is the fellow who tells the around which this story revolves. Now, Mullah, Mullah. Nasruddin, Nasruddin. Nasruddin. Next is strange. Strange, Strange. Strange. Next comes breeze. Breeze, Breeze. ठंडी ठंडी धीमी धीमी ठंडी हवा को ब्रीज बोला जाएगा. टाइनी, Tiny. Tiny means very small. Impressive. Impressive, Impressive. Impressive, Impressive. Now, okay, the meaning is large or big, huge. Travelers, Travelers. Travelers, Travelers. Next, vines, Vines, Vines. Plum, Plum, big round, that is plum. Noticed, Noticed, Noticed. Huge, Huge. Walnut, Walnut. Although chapter is on walnut, we need to learn the spelling also. Walnut, Walnut. Walnut मतलब अखरोट. Next, delicate, Delicate, Delicate. Soft, delicate मतलब एकदम soft, नाजुक. Pumpkins, again chapter is walnut and pumpkins. So spelling of pumpkins you need to learn. Pumpkins. Pumpkins. Sore, Sore. Okay, now children, these are the words which I felt that it will be easy for you if you learn it. Okay, now if you have some more spellings which you don't know and you find that I should learn it, definitely you should learn it. Okay, now we'll go to the chapter. What is there in the chapter? Now, as I told, the whole story revolves around a man named Mullah Nasruddin. Now, this Mullah Nasruddin was a traveler. That means he was going from one place to another. पथिक जिसको बोला जाता है, that is called traveler. Now, I will read this paragraph and make you understand the story. Okay. One day, Mullah Nasruddin was resting in a field under a cool shade of a tall walnut tree. It was a very hot day and the field had many green trees offered shade. Now, वन डे मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन was traveling from one place to another, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो ट्रैवल कर रहा था, गुजर रहा था, जा रहा था। तो वो बहुत टायर्ड हो गया, तो वो उसने क्या किया, एक बड़ा सा पेड़ के नीचे वो जाके बैठ गया। और वो बड़ा सा पेड़, टॉल पेड़ कौन सा था, बिग ह्यूज ट्री वाज ट्री ऑफ ए वॉलनट। Now he was so tired that he went and sat under a walnut tree. He saw that the field had many green trees that was offering shade, and it was very hot day, and so he wanted to rest for a while. Mullah was enjoying the cool breeze. It was perfect resting place for tired travelers. As he looked around, he noticed huge pumpkin growing on a delicate vines right out of the ground in the neighboring field. He looked up to see the tiny walnuts growing on the strong branches of a huge tree, and then he looked at the pumpkins again. Now this mullah was sitting under a walnut tree, as it is told in the starting of the chapter. When he was resting down under that tree, he noticed he was looking here and there. Simply he was noticing what was there around, and he was enjoying the cool breeze. Cool breeze मतलब वो बहुत वहाँ पे जब बैठा हुआ था तब उसको ठंडी ठंडी हवा जो आ रही थी उसको वो बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय कर रहा था। दैट इज कॉल्ड कूल ब्रीज। धीरे धीरे ठंडी हवा जो आती है उसको कूल ब्रीज बोलते हैं। एंड देन ही वाज थिंकिंग, ये कितना अच्छा जगह है जहाँ मैं बैठा हूँ, रेस्ट करने के लिए एकदम परफेक्ट जगह है। सडनली हिज आईज फेल ऑन द pumpkins growing near the tree on the field. अचानक उसने देखा बड़े बड़े pumpkins, जो कद्दू बोलते हैं जिसको, वो उग आए हैं। और वो किसमें है, डेलिकेट वाइन्स में, बहुत डेलिकेट, बहुत सॉफ्ट, जो नाजुक डंडियों पर वो लगी हुई है। और उसने सोचा मैं जो पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हूँ ये पेड़ वॉलनट का पेड़ है, एंड वॉलनट्स आर सो स्मॉल, दे वर सो स्मॉल एंड ग्रोइंग ऑन अ ह्यूज ट्री, एंड दिस pumpkin is so big and growing on a delicate vines. Now he was thinking, what is wrong in this? Big pumpkin, plump pumpkin, round pumpkin growing on ground, and that too with delicate vines, बहुत नाजुक सी डंडियों में लगी हुई है। और वॉलनट जो है इतना छोटा सा फल है, फिर भी वो इतने बड़े पेड़ पर लगा हुआ है। So he was thinking it again and again. How strange Mother Nature is. He thought to make plump pumpkins grow on thin vines, while little walnuts have their own impressive tree. उसने सोचा, अरे कुदरत कितनी अजीब है, देखो इतना बड़ा पंपकिन जो है वो नाजुक सी डंडियों में उगी हुई है, टहनियों में है, और जो छोटा सा वॉलनट है जो इतना छोटा है और वो इतना बड़ा ट्री, इम्प्रेसिव ट्री मीन्स बिग ह्यूज ट्री, लार्ज ट्री में लगा हुआ है। आगे देखते हैं। As he was thinking this over, he started feeling sleepy. He was about to shut his eyes when a walnut fell from the tree and hit his head. The mullah rubbed his sore head, picked up the fallen walnut and looked up towards the branches of the walnut tree. Then he looked at the pumpkins growing safely on the ground. Now what happened? जैसे ही ये सोच रहा था उसने देखा पंपकिन्स, इतने बड़े बड़े पंपकिन्स नीचे ग्रो कर रहे हैं और छोटे छोटे वॉलनट इतने बड़े पेड़ में हैं। एंड ही वाज थिंकिंग एंड थिंकिंग, बाय द टाइम ही वाज अबाउट टू स्लीप, उसे नींद आने लगी। जैसे ही उसने आंख बंद की, एक छोटा सा वॉलनट उसके सिर पे आके गिरा और उसे चोट लग गई, और उस जगह वो जगह थोड़ा फूल चुका था, उसे इतनी जोर से चोट लगी वो जगह फूल गया और उसकी नींद टूट गई। अचानक उसने देखा वो वॉलनट नीचे पड़ा है, उसने वॉलनट को उठाया, वॉलनट को देखा और फिर जो नीचे बड़ा सा पंपकिन ग्रो हो रहा था वो पंपकिन्स को वो देख रहा था, इतने सारे पंपकिन्स जो ग्रो हो रहे थे उसे देखा। फिर उसने सोचा, ओ मदर नेचर, यू आर वाइज, व्हाट वुड आई हैव डन इफ अ पंपकिन हैड फॉलन ऑन माय हेड। फिर उसने बोला, अरे मैं तो कितना गलत था। मदर नेचर, हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट गॉड। भगवान जी आप बहुत बुद्धिमान हो। अगर ये वॉलनट ये पंपकिन्स, इतने बड़े बड़े पंपकिन्स अगर ये बड़े पेड़ पर ग्रो होते और ये मेरे सिर पर गिरता तो मेरा क्या हाल होने वाला था। तो आप महान हो, आपने जो कुदरत की सृष्टि किया है, आपने जो नेचर में बनाया है वो सही है। मतलब मदर नेचर ने क्या बनाया, गॉड ने क्या, मदर नेचर हियर वी रेफर टू गॉड। ही इज नाउ सेटिस्फाइड विद व्हाट गॉड हैज मेड। प्रीवियस then the starting of this chapter we saw that Mullah Nasruddin was thinking that how God doesn't think before doing something. See, a small walnut is growing on a huge impressive tree and the big pumpkins are growing on the ground everywhere. And he started sleeping. As soon as he closed his eyes to sleep, a walnut fell on his head. And what happened? Then he realized that this small walnut, when it fell on his head, he got sore head. मतलब वो जगह फूल गया था और उसको बहुत जोर से चोट लगी थी। तभी उसे ये समझ आई, नहीं, मदर नेचर ने जो बनाया है वो बिल्कुल सही बनाया है। That means what God has made is totally perfect. What God has made in this world. So this way we are praising here God. God is above all. God has made even us. We human beings are also made by God. So Mother Nature has made everything perfect in the nature. Here we end the chapter. Now we will go with some word meaning so that you understand the chapter properly. Children, here we shall see some meanings of the words given. Walnut, as I told, it is a small nut. Akhrot, it has a hard shell, a nut with a hard shell, and it grows on tall tree. If you write a nut with hard shell, then also it is correct. Okay. Breeze, soft wind. Huge, very big. Delicate, thin and soft, which can be easily broken. So both are correct. Thin and soft, both are correct. Impressive, large and tall. In this chapter, impressive means large and tall. Plump means round. Neighboring, near each other. So children, here we have done meanings of some new words and you are going to learn it. Okay, now we will see the exercise of this chapter in another video. Okay children, thank you.